Hello guys, welcome to this Q&A video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we are going to cover what is full stack QA or full stack tester or full stack SDET. So this is the question we are going to cover and answer for that. Some people get very confused about this question, or some people get too excited about the words full stack and QA and they just say like, is this future of software testing jobs? What do you think? Take a moment and think. Okay, so let's get started and get ready to explore that. Let's go to next slide. Okay, before going further, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video and comment on the video. It is really going to motivate me to do more videos for you. Then let's start with full stack QA role and details. So there are different names available like full stack QA, full stack tester or full stack SDET. Then there are more names like full stack automation engineer, full stack quality engineer, and more names are there. In simple, a full stack QA is a tester who can do all testing types. So you can take manual testing, automation testing, performance testing, what all you can think of. So a full stack QA can do all of that. Then there is a big question, is it good or bad for testers? Because at the end, full stack QA is a tester or human being, so he need to do all the testing types and it increases load. You need to take care of so many skills, programming languages, tools like that. So I'm going to do more and more video tutorials, Q&A video tutorials around that, then we can find out. Okay, so now here in this slide we can fully understand what is a full stack QA. So as a full stack QA, you have to do all this like manual testing for different apps like web, mobile and desktop apps. So you have to do all the manual testing. Then automation testing for API layer like API test automation. Then automation testing for apps like web, mobile and desktop apps. Then you have to do performance testing. Then you have to take care of whatever the testing processes there like agile, DevOps or continuous testing processes or whatever the CI/CD setup processes there for testing. Then you have to take care of security testing, desktop testing, then whatever the new areas, emerging areas like IoT, that is Internet of Things, IoT or network related testing or hardware related testing, then whatever the emerging areas, emerging new testing types, whatever. So as a full stack QA, you have to take care of all this. Then related to these testing types, we have different tools or programming languages that you need to consider. So let's take the popular ones like for web automation we have Selenium, mobile automation we have like Appium, desktop automation we can consider like HPUFT or all-in-one tool Catalan Studio. Then for API test automation we have like Postman, REST Assured or SOAP UI. Then for performance testing we have tools like JMeter or LoadRunner. Then for CI/CD or continuous testing we have like Jenkins, Maven or GitHub. Then there are other new tools. Then for security testing as well there are some tools. For database testing like we can consider JDBC or whatever database related tools. Then for automation we need to learn a programming language as well like Java or C#, Python, JavaScript. So we have to consider all this, and as a full stack QA you are going to do all this. It's not like in a single day or in a single week or month you are going to do all this. You are going to have the time, there is going to be a schedule, and step by step like week after week or based on the testing schedule, test plan or release schedule, you are going to do all that. Then going forward, so I'm giving you some more information like few years back we didn't have full stack QA roles or related terms like full stack tester or SDET. Normally we have like full stack developer roles which are very popular. So as a full stack developer one has to take care of both front end and back end coding like a single all-rounder developer. The same concept is now applied to QA or tester roles. So that's why now we have like full stack QA or full stack tester. Now companies are looking for all-rounder testers who can perform various types or levels of testing like from manual to automation to performance testing and then continuous testing, database testing, security testing, like all-rounder tester who can do all types of testing. Then going further, I just searched for full stack QA jobs in Google. Then you can see So I have got like around 8.6 million Google search results. Remember, they are the results, not the jobs. And then there are few jobs here like full stack QA engineer from Standard Chartered Bank. Then we have full stack QA automation role from InnoMinds. So you can see the jobs. Then I have just scrolled down a bit. Then you can see different sites like we have Glassdoor explaining full stack QA engineer jobs. Then we have like jobs coming from Indeed. So here you can see 5,675 full stack tester jobs are there. So this is like at the time of recording this video, and you can see there are jobs and it is going to be a upward trend. Then going forward, is it an upward trend? Yes, I'm going to say yes for that. Based on my research, demand for full stack QA jobs is going to increase. The main reason for this is companies are looking for testers with as many skills as possible. For example, if you want to buy a smartphone, definitely you're going to look for a smartphone with a lot of features, like as many features as possible. The same is going to be applied here. So companies are looking for testers with as many skills as possible, like an all-rounder tester who can perform most of the testing types, who can handle most of the testing requirements. So full stack QA is an upward trend. There are reasons for that, and there are advantages and disadvantages. So we are going to cover all those in upcoming Q&A videos. Thank you for watching this video, team. Hope now you have like very good understanding of full stack QA or full stack tester. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video and comment on the video. Then going further, I'm going to make these videos like why is full stack QA an upward trend, the reasons. Then we are going to look at advantages and disadvantages of full stack QA. Like as a tester, if you are like full stack QA, you have to handle all those tools, all those testing types, then related programming languages. It is like so much pressure and you are handling too much. So let's look at advantages and disadvantages around that. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.